Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AutoDS to your eBay. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in AutoDS you will have to sign in and get started. So you can not only just connect your eBay here, you can actually connect your Amazon and many other apps. So to connect it, basically I want you to go to your Shopify store or any type of digital e-commerce store that you have and search for your apps. You'll have to install your AutoDS right here and then choose the package that's right for you. So once you have chosen a package right here, I would suggest you choose the import 200 if you're just starting, but if you know what you're doing, go to your 29.9 per month subscription. So you can start now for free and continue from here, and then you will just have to pay with your credit card or your debit card right here. So once you have done that, all you have to do is select your eBay, which is going to be simple as that. So selecting your eBay, you can just select a product right there. Just choose your shop, which is going to be eBay, and then import it right here. Or you can just go to ebay.com right here and then get the product itself and link it to your own actual AutoDS. So when you say this product, all you have to do is copy the link. So copy the link right here and then drop it into your AutoDS, and it automatically does it for you. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.